Welcome to Sam Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the world of groundbreaking technologies that are not just improving industries but are also paving the way for the future. From AI advancements to cutting-edge automation, we'll explore how these innovations are setting new benchmarks in efficiency, sustainability, and growth across various sectors. Let's get started. AI-powered automation is revolutionizing the workforce by taking over repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. From automated customer service bots to intelligent manufacturing robots, AI is boosting productivity and reducing operational costs. This shift is helping businesses scale up quickly while maintaining high-quality standards. Clean energy technologies, such as wind turbines, solar panels, and advanced biofuels, are at the forefront of the green revolution. These innovations are not only reducing our dependence on fossil fuels but also lowering energy costs for businesses. Companies investing in clean energy are positioning themselves as leaders in sustainability, which is crucial for long-term growth. 3D printing is taking manufacturing to the next level by enabling precise, on-demand production of complex parts and products. This technology is particularly beneficial in industries like aerospace, healthcare, and automotive, where customization and precision are key. With 3D printing, companies can reduce waste, lower costs, and speed up time to market, giving them a competitive edge. Big data analytics is transforming how businesses make decisions by providing deep insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. By leveraging data, companies can optimize their strategies, enhance customer experiences, and improve overall performance. In today's data-driven world, those who harness the power of big data are better positioned to thrive. Smart grid technology is revolutionizing how we manage and distribute energy. By integrating advanced sensors, meters, and data analytics, smart grids enable more efficient energy use and distribution. This not only reduces costs but also enhances the reliability and sustainability of energy supplies, making it a critical component of future energy systems. The telecommunications industry is undergoing a major transformation with the rollout of 5G technology. 5G offers faster speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections, enabling new applications in IoT, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities. These advancements are opening up new opportunities for businesses to innovate and expand their reach. Autonomous vehicles are set to revolutionize transportation by providing safer, more efficient, and cost-effective travel options. From self-driving cars to autonomous drones, these technologies are reducing the need for human intervention in transportation, leading to lower costs, fewer accidents, and increased accessibility. Smart agriculture technologies, including IoT devices, drones, and AI-powered analytics, are transforming farming by enabling precision farming. These tools help farmers monitor crop health, optimize resource use, and increase yields. By adopting smart agriculture, the farming industry can meet the growing demand for food while minimizing environmental impact. Cloud computing is changing the way businesses manage their IT infrastructure by offering scalable, on-demand computing resources. This allows companies to reduce IT costs, improve flexibility, and accelerate innovation. With cloud services, businesses can easily adapt to changing market conditions and support growth without the need for significant upfront investments. Blockchain technology is being increasingly adopted in supply chain management to enhance transparency, security, and efficiency. By providing a decentralized, immutable ledger, blockchain helps track products from origin to destination, reducing fraud and ensuring authenticity. This not only builds trust with consumers but also streamlines operations, making supply chains more efficient. As businesses become more reliant on digital technologies, cybersecurity is more important than ever. Advanced cybersecurity solutions, including AI-driven threat detection and blockchain-based security protocols, are essential for protecting sensitive data and maintaining trust with customers. Companies that prioritize cybersecurity are better positioned to avoid costly breaches and maintain their competitive edge. The e-commerce industry is evolving rapidly, with AI playing a key role in personalizing shopping experiences and optimizing logistics. AI-driven recommendation engines, chatbots, and inventory management systems help retailers deliver more tailored services and improve customer satisfaction. This evolution is driving growth in the e-commerce sector, making it one of the fastest-growing industries globally. Wearable technology, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers, is revolutionizing the health and fitness industry by providing real-time health data and personalized insights. These devices help users monitor their health, set fitness goals, and stay motivated. As wearable technology continues to advance, it is opening up new opportunities for innovation in healthcare and wellness. Educational technology, or EdTech, is transforming education by making learning more accessible, engaging, and personalized. Online learning platforms, interactive digital content, and AI-driven tutoring systems are helping students of all ages achieve their educational goals. By embracing EdTech, educational institutions can better prepare students for the future and ensure they have the skills needed to succeed. Biotechnology is driving significant advancements in healthcare and agriculture, with innovations like gene editing, bioengineered crops, and personalized medicine. These technologies are improving health outcomes, increasing agricultural productivity, and reducing environmental impact. As biotech continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of these industries. Sustainable construction practices, including the use of eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient designs, are becoming increasingly important as the world faces growing environmental challenges. Green building technologies, such as solar panels, energy-efficient HVAC systems, and recycled materials, are helping to reduce the environmental impact of construction while also lowering costs. By adopting sustainable construction practices, companies can build a greener future and meet the growing demand for eco-friendly buildings. Robotic process automation (RPA) is streamlining business operations by automating routine, repetitive tasks. From data entry to invoice processing, RPA enables businesses to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and lower costs. By adopting RPA, companies can free up human workers to focus on more strategic tasks, driving innovation and growth. Thanks for watching Sam Tech. We hope this video provided you with valuable insights into how emerging technologies are transforming industries and driving future growth. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights and innovations. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more cutting-edge trends and technologies shaping the world. See you next time.